Hello everyone, this is Umme Farjana and welcome to my channel Digital Marketing with Umme. In today's audio, we are going to talk about how to start digital marketing step by step. If you are a complete beginner and don't know where to start, this audio is for you. So let's get started. Before starting, you need to understand what digital marketing actually means. Digital marketing is the process of promoting products or services using the internet. Business use platforms like search engines, social media, websites, and email. Because today most customers are online, so companies need digital marketers to reach those people. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. Instead, I will suggest you choose one skill and focus on it. Some popular digital marketing skills are search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. For example, if you enjoy creating posts and interacting with people, social media marketing may be a good choice for you. Master one skill first, then learn the others later. The good news is you don't need expensive courses to start learning. There are many free resources available online. You can learn from platforms like Google Tutorials, HubSpot Academy, YouTube educational channels, watch tutorials, read blogs, and practice regularly. Consistency is the key. Learning theory is not enough. You need real practice, real expertise. You can create your own social media page, start a small blog, small friends business, promote a simple product. Practice will help you understand how digital marketing actually works. Once you start practicing, document your work. Create portfolios showing social media posts, campaign ideas, analytical results, content examples. Clients and companies want to see what you can do. Even small projects can make a strong portfolio. After gaining some experience, you can start looking for opportunities. You can find work through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Small start, build trust, and improve your skill over time. Many successful digital marketers started exactly this way. Remember, digital marketing is a key skill that grows with practice. You don't need to learn everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, keep learning, and slowly you will see progress. If you found this audio helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Umme Farjana, and I will see the next audio.